The myth that we've all heard is that cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. Here's what's really happening when you crack your knuckles. Inside your joints is a slippery fluid called synovial fluid. It's filled with dissolved gases, and when you stretch or pull your fingers, the pressure inside the joint suddenly drops. That pressure change lets tiny gas bubbles form, and when those bubbles collapse, you hear that pop sound. This process is called cavitation, and it doesn't damage your joints. Long-term studies show no increase in arthritis among people who crack their knuckles and people who don't. Your bones aren't grinding, your cartilage isn't wearing away. The sound is just bubbles forming and collapsing inside the joint fluid. It's physics, not arthritis.